How to buy PEL network token. So this token came under the symbol of PEL. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's now available on MEXC. So go and open your account on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, there is a referral link down in the description. You can create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards, and after that, fund it some USDT to be able to buy this token. So now I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. Now open your MEXC account, you can see. Go back to this page, and as you can see, you can copy the token sample. After you copy it, go to your account, in this search, paste it. You will be able to see this pair, click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, you need to wait 9 hours. So after 9 hours, click on buy, select the limit. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see the total that you will be paying of that USDT on your account, and here click on buy PEL. Now if you select the markets, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy PEL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.